So I think saktong-sakto lang yung alis namin para hindi naman kami masyadong maaga at hindi naman din late. Hi mga Zoobs! Magandang araw sa inyo! Today is Friday at tayo po ay papunta ngayon sa Shangri-La Mall dahil kung matatandaan ninyo, ako po ay nag-pull out sa Luna Jewelry. Ngayon naman, it's time na isoli na po natin yun. And after this, kami ni Andy ay may pupuntahan na birthday dinner ng aming ninang na matagal na rin namin hindi nakikita. So, a-attend kami ng kanyang birthday mamayang gabi. Dinner po yun. At kasama namin ang nag-iisang Mimi. Kasi syempre, hindi naman namin siya may iwan ng ganon katagal. Kaya, isinama na rin namin siya. Kasi alam nyo mga Zoobs, marami ding kids na nandun for sure. Kasi si Ninang ay marami na ding apo. Sa kaibigan din ni Andy. Ang dami na rin yung mga kasing edad na nandun. Kaya, sinama namin siya. Si Ali at King iniwan na namin kasi nandun naman ang kanilang mga pinsan. So ngayon guys, ito malapit na kami sa Shangri-La at ihing-ihi na si Andy. At gutom na ako. Ito na, approaching na kami dito sa flyover kung saan ako nag-pictorial dati ng FHM. So dito yon sa lugar na ito. Ayan na oh. Malapit na. Ayan po siya. Andito kami sa Shangri-La sa may Mandaluyong. Yung bridge na yan yung flyover kung saan po tayo nag-pictorial dati. Yun no. Shangri-La. Sana makashopping pa kami ni Andy no. Kaso parang wala na kaming time dahil baka abutin na din kami dito ng pag-alis agad. Para hindi kami malate. Yan, si Mimi, ang bait-bait kasama. You wanna show them your hat, Mimi? Yeah? Show them your hat. Ganda ni Mimi. Feel na feel niya yung hat niya. Galing yan sa kanyang Tita Len dahil galing sila ng Bohol. Yan ang kanyang pasalubong. So, ito na kami mga Zoobs. Magpapavalet na siguro kami dahil mas easier yun para sa amin. Yan na. May valet na dito eh. Yay! Daddy, shopping? Ayun o. Tingin-tingin. Tingin-tingin. Okay, nandito na kami. So, i-ready lang natin ang stroller lang, Daddy.
We're gonna bring the stroller down.
Ikaw, sa bagay sandali lang naman tayo, pero gusto mo bang magbuhat?
You want stroller, Meme?
Yeah. O, mag-stroller na tayo. Gusto daw niya. Nasa kotse na kami, kumain kami doon ni Mimi, nagmerienda kami nila Daddy. And ngayon, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pupunta kami sa dinner, birthday dinner ng ninang namin. Kaya ito na guys, from Shangri-La ito. Dito kami sa tapat ng Shangri-La, nakalabas na kami ng mall. Tapos, pakaliwa na kami papunta ng Rockwell. So I think saktong-sakto lang yung alis namin para hindi naman kami masyadong maaga at hindi naman din late papunta dun sa party. Kasi usually nalilate talaga kami. Ngayon medyo I think sakto lang. Sucks lang. So ayan, ito na. Update namin kayo pag nandun na kami mga Zoobs.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. And the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.
Yun, party is over. See Mimi, she came out with us tonight to the party. Can't leave her at home. Yeah?
Yes or no?
I'm so naughty pala. I'm the naughty one. But anyway, we're gonna head home now. She's getting a little bit sleepy. And it's boiling hot out here. Are you hot? I'm sweating like crazy, but we're just gonna wait for the car. I'm gonna head back to the house and put Mimi to sleep. You gonna sleep now?
Yes.
Yes?
We're so early.
So early daw.
It's so early. Oh, it's so late. But we're gonna head home now, guys.
Ayan, tulog na si Mimi mga Zoobs. Ang tagal niya actually natulog. Kasi may plano kami. Hindi. Nagugutom ako eh. Gusto kong kumain sa baba kahit yung ceviche lang. So ito na, nakaready na kami ni Andy. Ayan. Hindi ka na? Ano ka ba?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go na.
Because I'm hungry.
Iwan natin mga bata kay Ima. Si Ima ay nandun na sa room. King, nagawa mo? Tulog na ha. Pagbalik ko dapat tulog na kayo ha. Okay? Okay? Tulog na ha.
Online shopping.
Kakagising mo lang? Online shop. Shopee ka ng Shopee. Ano mga pinamili mo sa Shopee?
He's wearing it now.
Ba't pakita mo naman?
He's embarrassed of us. You're rocking it flat.
Ito yung mga pasalubong nila from Bohol. Peanut brittle. Best friends na kayo? Ang ginagawa nyo?
TikTok.
Nilagay ko na yung phones nyo dyan ha, but it doesn't mean you can use it. Only for charging. Because today, kinuha ko yung mga phone nila. Ni King at Aliyah. You can only charge your phone. You cannot use it. Okay, mga Zoobs, baba na kami. Time to party! Again.
Party, bro.
Kunyari lang.
Thanks so much, guys, for watching the vlog. I'm just about to head out for a swim, and it is the next day. But we had a really great time, and happy birthday to you, our Ninang, Miss Cora. So happy 60th. I hope you had a great day. And it was a lot of fun, and you could see that Mimi was really enjoying the party. She was dancing all over the place, which is always good to see. It's always good to see her happy as well. And we had no choice to bring her because we had no one to take care of her, so we had to bring her along. But yeah, like I said, at least she had some fun. And thank you to all of our sponsors. We really appreciate you making this Philippines trip a possibility, and we'll see you tomorrow.